Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
Your backyard plays a significant role in the value and appearance of your property. A well-maintained backyard can increase the value of your property, allowing you to earn more when you decide to resell your home or turn it into a rental. Having a backyard also allows you to experience the great outdoors, entertain guests in a unique space, and try out gardening. A backyard can be very beneficial in a lot of ways, but not every homeowner knows how to design it properly. More often than not, homeowners are only limited to cleaning their backyards and pruning shrubs that are planted in it. But are you aware that you can do more than just these things? Simply adding unusual items in your backyard can actually make your outdoor space stand out in the neighborhood and make it more interesting even from a distance. There are many unusual items that you can add to your backyard design today, but this doesn't mean that you should throw in everything at once. Remember that the key to an effective backyard design is to prioritize functionality and cohesion. Adding too many unusual items just for the sake of it will make your backyard look too cluttered. Avoid this by carefully choosing which items to add to your backyard. These unusual items should fit the space of your backyard and suit your needs as a homeowner. After all, what good is a well-designed backyard if you cannot make use of it?
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.